right, so the Tampa Bay Buccaneers take a tumble this week. Maybe a surprise. They still have room for a tumble, but down to 26 this week after losing in Atlanta. And things are starting to implode there. Mike Smith, the former Falcons coach and now the former Bucs coordinator, was fired this week. So you can see the signs of panic starting to rise there in Tampa. And Jameis Winston, interesting note on him, now has lost 10 of his last 11 starts for the team. He's got a lot to prove to this team down the stretch of the season. Jacksonville, wow, they fall 13 spots down the list this week after losing their third game in 4 weeks, and in stunning fashion. Cole Beasley gets 100 yards and 2 touchdowns, and I know I've been one of the people writing all year about how terrible the Cowboys' passing attack is. The supposedly elite defense caves, and now it's given up 70 points in the last 2 weeks. Some of the Jags' early efforts don't look so good at this point. They're in some trouble. They really need Leonard Fournette back and for that defense to find its footing. So the Packers, they pull one out of the fire Monday night. Mason Crosby does a complete 180 from his horrible Week 5 showing in Detroit. And maybe you remember back to August when Aaron Rodgers was upset with some of his young receivers. Those guys started to step up for him in an injury-ravaged receiving core. They pull out a tough win. And this might be one of those points where they turn things around and start looking like the Packers again. So the only change in the top 5 this week, Chiefs and Pats swapping spots. Chiefs drop to 4th, their first loss. Patriots move up to number 2 after winning an epic Sunday night game. I think we're all hoping for a rematch in the playoffs between these teams. A couple things we've seen, Chiefs defense still cannot get the job done. And Sony Michel, don't talk about him enough. Patriots rookie first-round pick, leading all rookies in rushing yards per game ahead of Saquon Barkley. He's really made a difference here. Just what's general observation, too. 6 AFC teams now in our top 10 in a year when we thought the NFC would be the much stronger conference.